Wow.
Okay, I'm on what this one too.
Wash the, spray the car, Sweetness. Spray the wheel. That's right, there's the music track. Very good work, Thomas. Keep spraying the car though, okay? Good job. Nice and clean. They do look thirsty. No, no, no. On the sidewalk. This one. No, 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 no. That's right. I think they might be buying ice cream, Dylan, on the sidewalk. It's a little bit cold for ice cream, Dylan, on the sidewalk. Sidewalk, Dylan. Sidewalk. No, no, no. On the sidewalk. Okay. We're just walking. Where are you going? Oh, okay. Well, I was just following Dylan. I think you just wanted to check on the music truck, and then we're coming right back. You're pretty wet, and you're running with those slippery shoes. Hey, please don't run with those slippery shoes, Sweetness. Hey, Dylan, wait.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
He was waving hi to you guys, wasn't he? Please go slow. I don't want you to slip and fall with those shoes, Thomas. Thomas, slow down, please. Dylan, come on. Go slow, Dylan. Go slow. Thank you. Oh, what's that doing? That's right, there's a doggy. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Hey, Dylan. No, this way. The doggy's going this way. Dylan. No, no.